Good morning everyone, how are you all and welcome back to another vlog. Anyways guys, right now I'm going to the petrol station for cleaning interior room of my car. So let's go and let's enjoy the moment with me. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. Frustração.
One eternity later.
Finally reached to the petrol station. It's a self-jet cleaning over here. I have to put coin in that, and before that I have to quickly take out my mats and stuff from my car so that I can quickly clean up my car and can go home because it's too cold in Japan. So yeah, let's do this. It's a self-jet cleanup. The coin over here for the 5 minutes it's 100 yen, so that you can clean up your car by this pipe.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright guys, car cleaning is done. I'm going back to home. So yeah, let's go back to home now. Anyways guys, one more thing I want to share with you guys. Actually right now I'm doing vaping and it's really not good for health. But what can I do? Like, I'm quite addicted to it. If I don't smoke, like, my day cannot be go on. So yeah, I'm quite addicted to like smoking. It's quite injurious to health because it can make you the cancer, it can make you the different diseases. So try to avoid the like smoking and drinking and all that stuff. Yeah, I would go in Japanese because maybe that would be probably more fine. So I just want to say, when you are cleaning up your car, there's like an air filter in your car, so you should clean up that, because when you are driving it up, a lot of dust come inside to your car, and if you don't clean up your air filter, there's like a lot of like fungus, bacteria over there. それから風邪ひきやすいとか、日本語で言う in Japanese they say like you can get the flu easily. So yeah, you should avoid that if you are having kid and family, even if you think about yourself. So that's the only thing I want to say. It's up to you if you cannot make it out, like, because it's not so easy to take out the air filter from your car, because it's very hidden inside your dashboard. Probably that only I just want to say. Anyways guys, I'm reaching home soon, so I'm gonna finish my vlog over here. That's the only vlog for today. I'm gonna see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, sayonara Japan. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. I know I'm not a good vlogger, but I'm trying to do in a daily life. It's very hard for me because I'm working every day, and I used to work in the night, and in the morning I used to sleep, so it's really, odd. I cannot make the time up. Anyways, that's the only vlog. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, sayonara Japan. See you guys.